little something to show you. Little plugs. There she goes. Little 2-cylinder, half-liter, 6-kilowatt generator. Remote start, plumbed into the main tank. You got 150 gallons of fuel on board. It's positioned right in here. Replaced the old original propane unit. That's the unit itself. Pretty difficult to see anything else. The generator works. It's got an extra 26,000 BTU of AC power, mechanically driven off of this, plus the air units up top. So we got a total of about 50,000 BTU of cooling capacity on this vehicle now. As you can see, the lights are on, 120 volts are working in there, and pretty darn cold outside, so still a little bit of condensation coming out the exhaust. And let's shut it down.